Hey neighbors, how's your upgrade going? For today, we're going to be focusing on upgrading your entertainment hub for an immersive experience not only for you and your family, but also for your beloved guests. Picture this, a stunning display that transports you, incredible audio that surrounds you, and lights that synchronize with every action. If you're ready for the ultimate upgrade, watch till the end. Why don't we kick things off with the stars of the show, TV and projection. The heart of any entertainment setup lies in the visuals, right? So let's explore the latest to transform your living room into a cinematic experience. Step into the future of home entertainment with the Sony X80L Bravia 4K TV. Now this 2023 version has an upgraded visual feast with its stunning 4K resolution and vivid colors that brings your favorite shows and movies to life. With the X80L's sleek design and advanced features like high dynamic range or HDR for enhanced contrast, every frame elevates your viewing pleasure. It also has a minimalist design with a slim T-shaped wedge stand. And with the help of Google, you can instantly watch anything from across your apps and subscriptions because it organizes everything for you. It's truly where clarity meets style for a unique entertainment journey. But of course, we're not stopping at the TV. If you already have a smart TV and you want to upgrade to a larger screen, why not choose a compact projector that also has an Ultra HD picture quality? Enjoy crystal clear 4K resolution in the least likely of places thanks to the premier 4K smart laser projector and its triple laser feature. Its ultra short throw technology also allows you to place the projector close to a wall for the ultimate viewing experience. It extends up to 130 inches and all you need to do to adjust the size is to move it forward or backward. It might be extremely bright for a projector, but it's still an ideal choice for your own private cinema experience. You can also use this as a split screen for multitasking or for an even better gaming experience. Moving on to another extraordinary projector to project motion and emotion in one, the Freestyle Samsung projector is the missing puzzle piece to your entertainment hub. It has a compact design for a theater-like experience anywhere you go. You can get creative and have fun with the way you watch your favorite shows, as the name suggests. It can be a screen on the ceiling, a screen on your desk, and even on a building's wall next door. Or in a tent outdoors. Freestyle it, it's yours to do so. It also projects up to 100 inches and automatically focuses and levels up everything with full HD quality. Here's the kicker. It's also a standalone device, so no need to plug in external speakers because of its surround sound quality and have it play anything with its smart speaker, which you can connect to Alexa or Google. See, such massive versatility indeed in one tiny structure. But what's a captivating visual without extraordinary sound? Now we're diving into the world of sound systems. Whether you're a movie buff or a gaming enthusiast, we've got the perfect speakers and soundbars to elevate your auditory experience. Effortlessly enrich your entertainment experience with the latest generation of this compact smart soundbar, the Sonos Beam, the smart portable speaker with powerful and precise sound from wall to wall, now with Dolby Atmos. You get to enjoy panoramic sound for shows, movies, and games when the TV is on, and stream music, radio, and more when it's off. Even the control is easy with your Sonos app, your remote, your voice, and Apple AirPlay too. Now you can go deeper into every scene as you hear planes flying overhead, feel the music swell around you, or even sense footsteps moving across the room. It might be a little creepy, but you wanted immersion, so there you go. But what if you want to listen to anything in your room? Time to meet Nest Audio from Google, the smart speaker that lets you hear music as it was meant to be heard. From music, podcasts, audiobooks to films, news and series, you'll have crisp vocals and powerful bass fill your home. Nest Audio is also 75% louder than the original Google Home. You also get to create a home audio system with your other Nest smart speakers and Chromecast-enabled devices. So you can listen to your music throughout your home just like that. Just say, "Hey Google," to play your favorite songs or get help from the Google Assistant. Move the audio from your car to your home or from room to room, as it also lets you pick up from where you left off in your song or your podcast. Cool, right? Now, Google isn't the only one with a smart speaker. Apple has also unleashed the HomePod 2. And it's not just a speaker, it's a revolution in home theater audio. Get this, it has a large touch-sensitive graphical display with vibrant Siri animations and sleek plus and minus buttons for volume control. The HomePod 2 now rocks a midnight color alongside the classic white option, and guess what? It comes with an estimated 3,000 peso price drop. But the real magic lies within. Powered by Apple's S7 chip, the same found in the Apple Watch Series 7, it brings the concept of computational audio to life, shaping sound like never before. With one large woofer and 5 beam-forming tweeters, this speaker is like a sonic daredevil, acoustically seeing the room and adjusting bass output based on its surroundings. The new HomePod also packs a temperature and humidity sensor, opening up possibilities for smart home integrations and a thread radio for seamless connectivity. Plus, it's now a vigilant protector, listening for alarms and ensuring your safety while watching your favorite shows. As we step into the final piece of the puzzle, imagine lights that dance to the rhythm of your entertainment. Smart lights that synchronize with your TV, creating an ambiance that enhances every single scene. Let's shed some light on the ultimate ambiance upgrades for your entertainment haven. First up, we have the Govee TV Backlight 3 Lite with upgraded in-visual tech and RGB ICW, making it more compatible with all of your content: movies, streaming, sports, and gaming. The upgraded chip also provides stronger performance with a fisheye correction function, expanding the effective range to provide more accurate color matching features and ensures that edge details pop more. The simplified camera installation easily adapts for ultra-thin TVs. You can use the adhesive to stabilize it without wobble when installing the camera. Additionally, the Dream View feature creates a 360-degree immersive experience and enriches the light mapping effects within the home environment. You can manage your TV's LED strip lights with the Govee Home app, where you can choose from black bars illumination, black screen detection, scene modes, and more with just a simple tap. Now let's talk Philips Hue Play, a smart light bar that you can sync with your PC games, music, or movies, immersing yourself in a world of light that dances with your screen. O diba? Set the mood and shape your own setup with this light bar. You can use the Hue app, your voice, or smart accessories to control your setup and customize it however you want. Use the included stand to set the light bars upright, or mount them to the TV, or just lay them flat. You can also add some exciting accessories by using the Hue dimmer switch, motion sensor, and other smart accessories to control the light bars. You'll also get hands-free control of the light bars with just your voice and a smart home assistant, so you can elevate your battle station and create total immersion that goes beyond the screen with Philips Hue. Last but certainly not least, we have Nanoleaf's 4D screen mirror and Lightstrip kit, your ticket to transforming shows, movies, and video games like never before. Experience the journey from 1D to 4D with rhythm, as your surroundings sync with the on-screen action. Create stunning backlit illumination in any room with Nanoleaf Matter-enabled smart color-changing LED light strip that comes with an attached controller. It has at least 16+ million colors with circadian lighting. You can also set your lights to automatically adjust to the color temperature of the sun based on your time zone or manual settings. The colors from your screen are also reflected onto your lights. Watch as your lights sync with the colors from your favorite movies and video games. It's not just lighting, it's a visual symphony that puts you in the center of the entertainment spectacle. And that's it for now, neighbors, an all-encompassing upgrade that completes your home entertainment haven. Which aspect are you most excited about? Share your thoughts in the comments, and if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more home upgrade content. Until next time, neighbors, happy upgrading.